What to do with that big fat butt? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Oh no, I hope I.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're some.
Luna, can I get an I love you? You're such a good girl.
With that big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle,
I'm your biggest fan, I'll follow you until you love me, Papa. I'm your biggest fan, I'll follow.
What to do with that big fat butt? Wiggle, wiggle,
Baby, right? Yeah.
Oh. Aries? Harry, don't scare the baby.
Hey Bowman, I got something for you. I know, this is yours. I know. You happy?
You angry? Daisy!
Listen, before we leave, we gotta have that talk, okay? You a pit bull, which means people are gonna label you a monster the minute they lay eyes on you. You can't be out here in these streets acting a goddamn fool like these chihuahuas because you don't get no second chances. You always gotta be on your best behavior, and I know that's hard, okay? And people are going to make up lies about you and say that you have a locked jaw and you were born to be dangerous. You're going to see mothers picking up their kids and walking across the street and or around the cars, and that's okay. I want you to remain humble and hold your head up high and know that you the shit. You can't help that people are ignorant. All you can do is do your best and know that you are the most amazing dog in the whole entire world. And I will do everything in my power to make sure that you make it to your 3rd birthday, okay? Mama loves you. Grab your things and let's go to daycare.